center. Sophia center. Luca. And lead the third forward. Not going forward. 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 Who's defense? Defense down here. Defense down here. Come down here. Come down here. So 4 more defense. Yeah? I mean, I'm doing it here. We'll start with her center. Your left wing. Your right wing. Okay? Sophia, your center, yeah? Which sticks we got here? You gonna be left wing? And right wing. Right wing, left wing, center. Boom. Okay.
Get after it, guys. Get after it. Ryan. Skate. Skate, red team, skate. Go, Lucas! Go to the net, Lucas! Go to the net! Don't stop, Lucas! Stay by net, Lucas! Yeah. Clear it out, guys. Clear it out of there. Are you center? You center? Yeah.
So I can look at that side instead of
Yes. You're gonna go right to the other goalie.
Get it up!
Good job, Michael. Go, Andrew. Go, Andrew. Take it with you, bud. Get after it, Andrew. Go, go, and go, Andrew. Go, Andrew. Go, Andrew.
Yes!
Go, buddy. Go, Andrew. Go, Andrew.
Wait. If you're home Friday, why do you have zero?
Oh, we're guests. Sorry. We're guests. Go, Luca.
Maybe to quit now. We're playing hockey.
Go to the net, Andrew. Good job, Michael. Good job, Michael. Clear it out. Good job, Michael. Clear it out, guys. Get it out of there.
guys. Nice job. Good work.
That's us, we're guests.
Walk away from the front of that net would be good.
That's a pass. Go, Quarantine! Don't stop, Quarantine! Brianna, stay up, Brianna. Eyes on the puck, Brianna. Okay, follow him, guys. Go to the net. Go to the net. Go to the net, red team. Go to the net.
Stand. Go.
Off, guys. Off. Good job. Go, Andrew. Don't stop, Andrew. Don't stop. Keep going. Good job, Luca. Woo! When the puck goes over there, guys, just clear it out as hard as you can, okay?
Yeah. They're gonna chew and I'm gonna take the puck out.
Good job, Michael!
Oh, please. Take it out.
When it's over here next time and you get the puck, just hit it as hard as you can out, okay?
So it should be like out of the blue line.
Yeah, out of the blue line, from here.
From here to the
Yeah.
yeah.
And then when you're over there, go right to the net. Take it right to the net.
Ah!
Go, Luca!
No. We always miss the chance.
It's okay. It's about trying and trying. Get it, don't let it get past the blue line.
We're gonna win this time.
Go, Andrew!
Unless we level up. Why?
Get Andrew! Oh,
Sophie! Throw it! It's on his hand.
take it all the way, Sophie.
Go!
Go to the net, red team, go to the net!
And go.
Good. 2 goals in a shift for you guys. Pretty great.
Clear it out of there! Good job!
I want you guys to get yourself to the net, okay?
Yeah, I'm
Get yourself in front of the net. Get yourself in front of the net. And you're going to pass it over,
Yeah, I know.
okay? Let's work on that a little bit. You don't need to score that many more goals, okay? Okay, well, he's right. Get yourself to the net. And actually, two ways to think about this, all right? One of you should be really low and wide by the post. And the other one is a little bit higher, like kind of in the middle of that circle.
Good job, Michael! Clear it out of there! Good job!
Alright, that was a good period, you guys. Good period. Keep going to the net. Let's work on our passing a little bit. Forwards, if you're center, control the puck. If you're a wing, get yourself close to the net. Let the center pass it to you, and then you get the rebound, alright? Get yourself to the net. Get yourself to the net, alright? Alright, what's the check?
Bring it in!
What's the check?
Bring it in!
That's it. Lead us off, Ryan.
Andrew!
Fires on 3. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Alright, who's on two? Who's on two on here? 1, 2's next. 1, 2 right here.
So when we have the puck over here this side, I want you two guys to stay up by the blue line, okay? Guard the blue line. If the puck's coming out, make sure it doesn't get past that blue line. That way we can keep scoring, okay? We're going to be skating back and forth to the blue line guarding it. So if the puck's over there, one of these is over by the board, the other is by the center. If you get really tired, you come right back here. So you can keep, okay? Go as far as you can, and if you're tired, then just come right back here. And if the puck's on this side, then you're going to go over here, and one of these go to center, okay? So you're going to be skating back and forth, guarding that line. You got it now? Good job! Oh, good job, guys! Clear it out of there! Go, Brianna! It's okay. It's all right, my friend. Ryan. Stop. Oh, so close. Guard the line, Lock. Get out there, Lock.
Next team. You guys ready? All right.
Alright, off, guys.
Defense, listen up. You shot, keep the puck inside the blue line. The defense was in the corner, they shot it right out. Keep the defense wasn't there. So you got to keep the puck inside there, alright? Blue line in. If we're in our end, you got to
Come on, ref.
wait for the goal.
Good job, Andrew. Good try, Andrew. Good try, Andrew. Andrew, go to net. Stay up, Lock. Stay up, Lock. Stay up. Lock, guard the line.
Let's see, we're in there, right? See? If you come from this great spot, that's where we're going now, right? That's why the defense is staying on the blue line, okay? It's not doing any good all the way down by the goal. You're doing a lot of good on the blue line. See now. Go to the net, move it up. Go to the net, keep. Go to the net, go to the net, go to the net.
Stay up there, Lock. Stay up there, Lock.
Go to the net, move it up.
Get after it, Laksha. Get it, Laksha. Stay up, Laksha. Don't go deep.
Go to the net, move it up. Move it in. All right, change it up. Stay out.
Here and guard the line, remember? Hello. Get him, Manas. Good try, Manas. Good job, Michael.
Oh, there's hitters in that turn.
Yeah. Clear it out, clear it out. Get it, Ananya, clear it out.
Defense, blue line.
Defense.
Get it out of there as hard as you can. Go, Nyla, get it, Nyla. Get after it, guys. Okay. Skate, Lucas. As hard as you can, Lucas. Don't stop, Lucas. Keep going, Lucas. Go to the net, Zach. Go to the net, Zach. Go to the net, Zach. Zach, get ready, Zach. Get ready, Zach. Stay by the net.
Put it up there, Ryan. Put it in there. Put it in there.
Go, go! Oh, nice try, nice try. Zach, stay by the net. Stay by the net, Zach.
Where's my team? Where's my team? Where's the team? We're not the blue line.
Go, Corrington, go, Corrington. Keep going, Corrington. Don't stop, Corrington.
That's it. Go, 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 go.
Go, Zach, go, Zach. Go, Lucas. Zach, go to the net, Zach. Stay by the net. Wait right there. Wait right there. Nice try. Okay, off, off. Good try, Lucas.
Follow him to the net.
Okay, follow him, follow, follow, follow. Lucas, as hard as you can. Skate harder, Lucas. Stay there, Zach. Stay there, Zach. Stay right there, Zach. Pass it, Ryan.
Defense, blue line. Defense, blue line. Defense, blue line.
Get it, Brianna. Get it, Brianna. Same team, same team. Off, off, off. Corrington off. Corrington off. Corrington off. Off, Corrington off, off, off.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Off, guys, off, off. Zach, off. Zach. Zach, off. Okay. Okay, go, go, go. Go to net, Zach. Go to net, Zach. Go to net. Shoot. Oh. Nice try. Get it, Corrington. Get it, Corrington. Get it to it. Get after it, Lucas. Stay by net, stay by net. Pass Ryan, pass Ryan.
All right, change it out, change it out.
Change.
I'm so tired.
Okay? Come on, come on, get it. Down one, down here, down one, down here.
Lucas, Lucas. Keep going. It's okay. That's all right, Michael. That's all right. Stay up, Lock. Laksha, stay up by the blue line. Get it, Laksha. Get it, Laksha. Get it, Laksha. Go to the net, Luca. Same team, guys. Same team. Andrew, go to net. Get it, Laksha. Get it, Laksha. Good job, Michael. I know, but we're a good team. Okay, we got a whole another period and we can score more. Get it, Nayla. Go, Manas. Clear it out. Clear it out. Clear it out of there.
Clear it out, clear it out. Get it away from the goal. Good, good.
Get it, Manas. Good job, Manas.
Go, 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 go.
Good job, Ananya. Keep going. Oh, that's not Ananya.
Stay on, stay on. Stay with him, stay with him.
Good job, Michael.
Listen up, Red. You gotta do a better job keeping the puck inside the blue line, alright? We're not holding that line. Defense, you gotta stay on the blue line. You gotta hold the puck in. That's really important. They got 2 of their goals because you didn't hold the line. You gotta hold that blue line. This time we're holding this one. Alright, the puck is down there. Defense, your job is to keep it in. So you stay out at the blue line. I don't want to see you down by the net. I want to see you at the blue line. Okay? Alright. Same thing I was talking about before. Wingers, get yourself to the net. Centers, feed the wingers in the slot. Alright? Get it off, Ryan, before you can.
Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Ready? Here we go, here we go.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Blue line. Perfect.
Quarantine.
You're back here, you're back here. There you go, watch the play. Hold that blue line, defense, hold that blue line.
Get it, Zach. Get it, Quarantine. Okay, off.
That's the idea, Corey.
Watch the puck, Lucas. Go to the net. Go to the net. Go, Lucas. Get out there, Lucas. Off. Off, Lucas. Off. Go, Zach. Go to the net, Zach. Get it, Zach. Get it, Zach.
Hold that line, Brianna. Hold the blue line, Brianna. Blue line, Brianna. Blue line. Blue line defense.
How many rounds do you have?
Just this round. Get it, guys. Oh, off, guys. Off.
You're clear. Go.
Okay, go. Go, Quarantine. You can do it, buddy. Get it. Go, Lucas.
Hold that blue line, D.
Get it, Brianna. Get it, Brianna.
You're so close to make a goal.
Get to the net. Get to the net. Get to the net, forwards. Defense, blue line. Defense, blue line. Defense, blue line.
Go, Lucas. Oh, nice try. Yeah. Ryan. You want to go over there? Oh, you have some more turns. 2 or 3. Off. We have one other game after this.
Then the playoffs?
Yeah. Get it, Luca! Andrew! Andrew! Other side, Andrew! Get it, Andrew! Get it, Andrew. Keep it in. Good job, Andrew. Get it, Andrew. Get it, Andrew. Get it, Andrew. Nice try, bud. Get out there, Andrew. Andrew, go to the net. Wait, yeah.
That's the time.
Huh?
That's the time for like the watch. Or,
For the game, yeah, that's how much time is left. Get it, Andrew. Good job.
Go, Sophie!
Follow her, Andrew. Follow her. Go to the net, Andrew. Get it, Andrew. Keep it in there. Off, guys. Off.
We're playing hockey in our gym, so
Oh, okay.
kind of good.
Going to the net like you did before, okay? You almost scored it that time. I think that's how hockey is. Sometimes you don't score, but the more tries you get, the more chances you get, you might score, okay? Just keep doing it, okay? Good job, guys. Get him, Manas. Good job, Michael. Clear it out. Good job, Manas. Get out there now. Off, off, off. Off, off. Anandi, off. That's okay, okay? Just relax. And it's still your team, okay? They're trying their best. Get him, Manas! Get him, Manas! Go, Manas! Don't stop! Take it with you! Go, 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 go! Go after it, guys! Off, 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 off! Off, Lucas! Off, Lucas! Follow him, Zach. Follow him, Zach. Go to net, Zach. Go to net. Go to net, Zach.
Nice job, guys. That was a good shift. You guys did great. Referee has his hands up. And he's on it means that somebody's outside. So he's got to get outside doing that.
Stay by net, Lucas. Stay by net, Lucas. Get it, guys. Get it. Off, 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 off.
Good.
Clear it out of there, guys. Clear it out. Skate down, skate down. Go, Zach. Go to the net, Zach. Go to the net, Zach. Get it, guys. Get it. Get it, Zach. Keep it in there. Keep it in the zone. All right, off. Off. Brianna, the other blue line. Don't go offside though. Wait. Keep trying, guys. Keep trying. Okay, go, Zach. Go follow him, Zach.
Stay by net, Zach. Stay right there. Pass it, Ryan. Get it, Lucas.
That's it, go with that. Good. Push in front, that's it. Well, that's a defense. You should be there.
Keep it in there. Get it, Brianna. Good job, Brianna. Go to the net, Zach. Okay, off, guys. Off. Looks like it's going to be up to you guys, okay? It's getting tight out there. You're next. Go to the net, Zach. Stay right there, Zach.
Oh, he's wide open. Ryan, look up front. He's wide open. You can't get it out.
Ryan, pass it. Ryan. You got teammates right at the net. Pass it.
Come on, Ryan. Move the puck. He's trying to do it by himself. Put it up front.
Change. That was good, but you had a lot of teammates open before that, okay? They could have scored for you and you could have had one more. Next time look up more, okay? Good job, guys. Unfortunately, Ryan didn't see you. They were right at the net for you. Next time, okay?
Your teammates open the foot. You look up here and there.
Turn around. Get it, Andrew. Good job.
That's it, defense, yeah.
Get closer to the walls, Lap. Get it, Andrew. Get after it, Andrew. Good job. Good try, Lap. Off, Luca. Don't touch it, Luca. No, Luca. You and Zach did really good, okay? But you have to find them. They were wide open, a lot. Good job, Michael.
No, it's that guy. I'm gonna start opening the bench.
Huh?
I'm gonna start opening the bench so I can get out.
I don't think you guys are coming back on.
No, I know. Yo, that's what I mean.
Well played.
You too. Thank you. in the tree. Good job, Ethan.
Don't forget the bottles! Don't forget the bottles!
Lucas, we all know.
It's yours.
It's mine.
This one?
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
Lucas!
Both of them? Okay.
This is Swiss.
Oh, look.